Hey buddies, welcome to our channel. On today's episode, we will be doing some wrap snacks.
And before we get into this episode, I want you guys to hit subscribe because we're probably gonna get a copyright claim and get demonetized on this.
Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it!
So it's very, very important that you hit subscribe below and make sure you follow us on our social media on Instagram and TikTok at TazeBuds.
Taste buds, let's go!
Give me the soda.
Majority of these are all like barbecue and like honey mustard and all that stuff. So we're just gonna see which one tastes good, I guess.
Yeah, we're just gonna see what tastes good. See if the flavor actually reflects the artist that is on the packaging.
Yeah. Yes,
All
that's
right.
about right. Yeah.
So let's break into the first one here.
Awesome.
It was all a dream.
I used to read Word Up magazine, Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, Rap Attack, Mr. Magic Moment.
These are the Notorious B.I.G. Honey Jalapeno Potato Chips.
How would Biggie say honey jalapeno if he was still alive? Honey jalapeno. In the words of B.I.G., we can't change the world unless we change ourselves. That's the most I got from
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine and eat potato chips on my couch. Let's go. We're wasting time here. We're here to eat some chips. Like,
Fine. How does it smell?
I'm gonna assume this is what Notorious B.I.G. smelled like.
It just smells like potatoes.
It smells like potatoes.
Since he smells like potatoes, that's how he smells like.
They literally look like regular cheap ass chips, but we're gonna try it out.
Oh my god, it's so good. Oh god, it's spicy. Why just? Oh yeah, because it's jalapeno.
Yeah, it's jalapeno. Obviously, it's spicy.
It's spicy, but it's not too bad. It's not as bad as the Asian chips.
No, it's not that bad. This is a tolerable spice. If you like jalapeno chips, you're probably gonna be disappointed because it's not too jalapeno-y. I'm really tasting the honey though.
No, it tastes more
tastes like-
jalapeno. My lips are just
Really?
Yeah, they're really good.
Yeah.
Despite like the little spiciness, it's not too bad. Okay.
I don't know if that's what B.I.G. would have tasted like. I would have assumed he would have tasted like, I don't even know.
He's clearly judging you right now, Sean.
He is judging me. B.I.G. would have tasted like some hot wings.
You really think so?
Finger licking good.
Yeah. Whoa, hold on. Walk it like I talk it. 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 Hey.
All right. So the next one we have is Migos.
Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it.
Dabbing is a lifestyle. That's their quote on this one.
You just gotta dab it out with every bite. Like,
Oh my god, I don't know how to dab. I'm sorry.
how do you not know how to dab? Just
I don't know how to dab. I'm sorry.
mix up the pot and dab. Look over there, dab.
Anyways, so this is sour cream with a dab, a ranch. A dab, a ranch. A dab, a ranch. A dab, a ranch.
We're gonna open the bag now.
Dab, a ranch.
Open the bag with a Never Ranch.
Dab, a ranch.
Never Ranch in a bag of chips.
It smells like feet.
Ew, it does smell like feet.
It smells like feet.
Apparently the Migos smell like feet. That is mad disrespectful. For some guys that wear Versace all the time, you'd think they smell real good, but they smell like feet.
Smell like feet.
All right, let's see if they taste like feet too.
Gross.
They have like some
Regular
little
chips.
spice thingies on it though.
Yeah, it's the ranch.
Oh, it's the ranch?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
sour cream with a dab ranch.
That's straight up ranch chips. I don't know, I taste the sour cream. Tastes like sour cream and
That's
onion.
a lot more flavorful than the regular sour onion. What is it? Sour cream and
Sour
onion.
cream and onion. This one
Yeah.
tastes better than sour
a
cream and
lot more flavorful. You can definitely taste the ranch in this one.
onion. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Not something I go for, but it's pretty good.
If you like ranch chips or you like sour cream and onion, This is definitely for you. It's really good. I'm gonna have one more before we move on to the next one.
Okay.
Ooh, that's a fat chip.
Do what you want.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll have one more because it's pretty good. Okay. All right. Next. What's next, superstar?
I've been looking forward to these ones.
Okay.
I want that wop, those wet ass potato chips.
Make that pull out game weak. Yeah, you dealing with some wet and gushy.
But no, seriously, these are the Cardi
Ew,
B.
you would eat wet potato chips? That's disgusting.
Listen, it just worked with the song, okay?
How would
Anyways,
that work?
this is Jerk Barbecue. Says something about Cardi B talking about being successful and stuff and believing in yourself, and I 100% agree. If you want to be successful in something, you gotta believe in yourself, because if you don't believe in yourself, ain't nobody gonna care about you, right?
It all starts within yourself. Right?
Yeah. Wop, that's some wet fat potatoes. Hey, there we go. Let's get into this bag of chips.
I can imagine the smell in my head.
Yo, I will dip this in some water to try.
Please do it. Do it for the channel. Do it.
Do it!
Go ahead.
Can we try regular chip first?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks for waiting. Oh, these ones have ruffles in them. Yo, these are good.
Okay, let's read her quote. No, that's not fair. Let's read her quote.
These are really good.
They're really good. Jerk barbecue. Really, really good.
Really, really
Actually
good.
tastes like jerk barbecue.
No, like really, really good.
Being successful in life and
Really, 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 really
Cardi B
good.
is gonna come after you
Yo.
for cutting off her quote.
Cardi B, you apparently taste hella good.
Being successful in life and in the music business is all about being true to who you are. Knowing your self-worth, never sweating the small things, and always following your gut instincts. If you follow this rule of thumb, it will eventually create a recipe for success. Cardi B.
Can I have another chip now?
Yeah, I was gonna get one.
Good. They're really good. Should we move on to the next bag of chips? Oh, the next bag of chips. You may not recognize the face on the bag because you probably haven't seen this guy since he was like yay high. These are the Romeo Miller barbecuing with my honey.
What happened to Romeo?
What happened? He's not Lil anymore. That's what happened to Lil Romeo. He just turned into Romeo Miller.
And what was that song?
Boy, I'm really from the south. I'ma keep it real with you. I got tired of this rap shit. This shit ain't real with you. Say them in this way you shooting. I'm getting photos. Never had to be the gangster. Mine's against loco. This shit.
Yeah. Anyways, so we're gonna see if this bag of chips are better than his career.
Damn!
Let's have a whiff.
Like, okay. Smells like doo-doo. How would you do
Here,
that?
have a chip. So this is what it tastes like when you're barbecuing with honey.
Very tasteless.
Oh my god. That is the most bland tasting chip ever. It is. This is the perfect person to put on this bag of chips.
So tasteless. Like, oh my, I still taste the Cardi B chips in my mouth.
Yo,
That's how tasteless it is.
I don't even mean to be roasting them. Like, I wanted to be nice about it. And like, you know, but let's be real.
Wait, let's read his quote. Let's read his quote.
Is it worth reading?
My pops taught me to keep your head on straight and do what you love, Romeo.
You know what Lil Romeo's pops taught me?
To make them say, na 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 na. I'm the colonel of the golden platinum tank. Y'all have the big things, we have the big bang. Third world hustlers, soldiers in combat. My time dealers and wheelers with true depth.
If you guys want to see more videos just like this one, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. And don't forget, this video has been demonetized by the time you've reached this point in the video. So it's even more important that you hit subscribe down below. And make sure you follow us on all of our social media.
Yes.
That's Instagram and TikTok at TazeBuds. And we love you.
Goodbye. Hey buddies, we're Taste Buds.
And we're doing a giveaway.
We created a mystery box full of the snacks that we have tried on our channel.
Hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below on this video. We want to see hella comments.
Bye.